Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we've got something truly exciting, an all-new legend reborn. We're diving into a full in-depth review of the 2025 Jeep Willys Truck, a vehicle that bridges military heritage and modern off-road capability in a way few others dare to do. So buckle up, because this isn't just a pickup truck, it's a statement on four wheels. Right from the first glance, the front of the Willys truck commands respect. The iconic 7-slot grille is present, but this time it's been subtly modernized, with a matte black finish and integrated active shutters for improved aerodynamics. The round LED headlights echo the classic Jeep DNA, but now they're framed by aggressive squared-off fender flares and a higher stance that gives it a more muscular look. A factory-installed steel bumper with red tow hooks and fog lamps complete the off-road ready face, leaving no doubt that this vehicle means business. As we move to the side profile, you'll notice the Willys heritage really begins to shine. The squared cabin, short overhangs, and functional design harken back to post-Wabukwi utility vehicles. It sits high on 33-inch mud-terrain tires with blacked-out 17-inch wheels wrapped in aggressive rubber meant to chew through trails. The body lines are straight, almost minimalistic, exuding a purposeful toughness. Jeep has opted for a two-door, extended cab configuration with removable roof panels, allowing you to experience open-air freedom in true Jeep fashion. Functional rock rails protect the underbody, and the black Willys decals along the fenders are a subtle nod to its history without shouting about it. Around the back, the rugged utility continues. The tailgate features embossed Jeep badging in black and dampened open-close functionality. LED taillights with smoked housings add a modern edge, while a heavy-duty steel rear bumper with integrated recovery points keeps it trail-capable. The bed itself is mid-sized but deep, lined with a spray-in bed liner and available with an optional 110-volt outlet and bed lighting, perfect for camping, work, or hauling gear. A roll bar with mounted LED trail lights is also available for those looking to push their adventures after sundown. Now stepping inside, the Willys truck blends rugged materials with just enough modern comfort. The cabin is trimmed in durable, water-resistant fabric with rubberized floor mats and drain plugs for easy cleanup after a muddy expedition. The dashboard is simple and functional, with exposed bolt heads and textured finishes that resist scratches and dust. A 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment system dominates the center stack, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and off-road pages that display pitch, roll, and drivetrain status in real time. The analog meets digital gauge cluster feels right at home in this truck's dual-natured personality. Seats are manually adjustable but surprisingly supportive, and there's hidden storage under the rear seats, which fold up in a 60-40 split. You won't find luxury leather or ambient lighting here, and that's exactly the point. Under the hood, the 2025 Jeep Willys truck comes with two powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out 270 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and delivers surprisingly strong low-end torque, perfect for crawling up steep grades or hauling gear. For those seeking more grunt, there's an optional 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, delivering 285 horsepower. Both options come standard with Jeep's Command Track 4FX4 system, a low-range transfer case, and optional locking rear differentials. On the road, it's definitely a truck, firm and planted, but surprisingly nimble for its size thanks to excellent steering geometry and a well-tuned suspension. Off-road, the Willys truck comes alive. It easily handles rocks, mud, and deep ruts thanks to 10.8 inches of ground clearance, skid plates, and an approach angle of over 40 degrees. Fuel economy lands around 20 miles per gallon combined for the 4-cylinder and slightly less for the V6. Not amazing, but expected for a true off-road vehicle. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Jeep Willys truck starts around $38,000 for the base configuration with the 2.0-liter turbo, and climbs to just over $45,000 when equipped with the V6, off-road packages, and optional tech upgrades. For what you're getting, heritage, genuine capability, and rugged style, it's a fair price, especially considering the limited competition in this niche segment. Optional packages can drive the price higher quickly, so shoppers should be strategic with what they really need. If you're considering this vehicle, it's important to think about your lifestyle. If your days are split between work and weekend escapes into the wilderness, the Willys Truck offers an unmatched blend of form and function. But if you're looking for luxury or a soft ride for long commutes, there are smoother options out there. It's not trying to be a suburban cruiser. It's built to tackle backcountry roads, national parks, and job sites with equal confidence. My suggestion? Skip the unnecessary tech packages and invest in the off-road group and roof panel upgrades to truly maximize its utility and character. So, is the 2025 Jeep Willys Truck worth it? If you're someone who values authenticity, durability, and the thrill of off-road exploration, this might just be the most honest pickup on the market. It's not pretending to be something it's not, and that's increasingly rare in today's truck landscape. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. Drop a comment below. What do you think of the Willys Truck's comeback? Would you take it over something like a Tacoma or Gladiator? Until next time, keep your tires dirty and your head clear. See you on the trail.